Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you for coming back. And if you are interested in tech videos, please kindly hit the subscribe button for more videos upcoming, because today's video is going to be really interesting. Yes, in today's video we'll be looking at how to compress image sizes from their original size to a lower number, like 50% of the size, without losing quality. Yes, I'm not bluffing, and you don't need to use internet with this. Your image viewer you are using can be the same image compressor. Yes, I'm not bluffing and I'm not making noise. You just follow the video and you will see what I'm talking about. So first things first, you have to download this application, which I'll put the link in the description. So let's download it. I already have it on my own, so I'm just showing you how to get it. I wanted to use Firefox, but Windows is not allowing me, so I will use Chrome. So just paste the link. The link is in the description. Let me just put it there. So this is the link. So this is the size of the application. It's not that much, so just download it and you could start working on it. So I already have it on my PC, so I don't need to download it again, but I will download it and will show you how to. The installation process is very simple. So I'm using IDM, sorry. So this is just it. I'm just downloading it. Sorry for my poor internet. So we've downloaded it, then open it. When you open it, so this is how it is. Then you extract it. Yes, then it will extract on your desktop. Then you look for it. So this is it. So if you are using a 32-bit Windows, then I would suggest you open this one. But if you're using a 64-bit Windows, I suggest you open this one. But if you don't know whether you're using a 32-bit or 64-bit Windows, just go to your search bar and type system, or just go to settings. I'm even going to delay you. Just go to settings, then you go to about. Sorry, I'm using Windows 11, so Windows 10 2 is almost the same thing. So this is mine. So this is mine. Right now I'm using a 64-bit, because you can see system type. There is it. I'm using a 64-bit Windows. So if they're written here 32-bit operating system, then I'll suggest you use this one. So this is how it works. So the best thing is just copy the folder, the one you think you want to use, either 64 32. Right now I'm using a 64-bit, so I'll take the 64-bit. Just right click and copy it. Just copy it, and I'll suggest you put it in your local Dixie, let's say where you always install your programs, or you can even put it here for faster accessing of it. So I'll just put mine here. I like to put mine here, so just put it there, paste. So it's also part here. So this is it. So what you have to do now is you have to activate it so that it will work with your image viewer. So I already have that on my own, but I'll just show you how it is. So you just open it, then you will see something like JP. This is the exe application. That is mostly the one that takes size of the space, but this application is small, but it's very super useful. You will get to know that. So just right click on it, open it, then it will pop up an application whereby you select an image viewer. So you can select any of them. It just wants to activate, because when you see here file type, when you select that, all the file types here will be associated with that image viewer. I already have it. When you select it and you click open, it will refresh and you can close it. So I've already done that. When you click here, then you click open, it will open the image viewer and you are done. So I've already done that. So let me just show you what I'm talking of. So right now my default was Microsoft Photos, but right now I'm using that image viewer. So this is what I'm talking of. So when you open it, it's also super fast, even if you have a slow PC. So this is just it. It's super fast, and it's also reliable. So That is just the installation, how to install the application on your PC. So let's look at how to compress the image. So this is what we are going to use. So this is the application we'll be using, and this is a 34 megabyte size image. This is a banner I designed for someone, and I also do graphic designing. So if you're interested in any graphic designing, you can kindly hit me up for your design works. So this is a banner I did, and this is what I use for the banner. This is the flyer I created first. So I used it to create a banner which will be used to be printed later on. So this is the application, this is the file we'll be trying to compress, and we will surely compress it. And it's also super easy to compress. Yes, it's very easy, no long talk, no short talk. So yes, this is the application, this is this file we want to compress. Right now it's what, 34 megabytes. So this is how we do it. So first thing first, you open the application. Just give it some time because it's a big size, so it will take longer than before, and I'm also recording too. So this is it. So this is the image. So when you check here, when you check your info, you can see it here. So this is the pixels and everything. If you want the size and everything is also there. So this is it. So right now what we have to, this is a 34 megabyte image size. So we want to compress it to lower size. So we could get up to 50% compress rate and still maintain the quality, because if you can see, this is the quality of it. Sorry for the breakness because the size isn't small. So this is it. So we are going to compress it. So the simplest way and the easiest way to do it without using internet is, for example, let me just even turn off my internet so that you believe me. You might think my internet is on, that's why. So I've turned it off. So this is it. So now this is what we are going to do. Just right click on it, then you look at save process image, saved process image, save process image, save process. When you click on it, it will select you, and you see the name, it will change to the name of the document /proc. That means it is the process image. So just click on save, and it will be done in a jiffy. So it's done. So this is the other item, this is the one. So now it has compressed it to what, 10 megabyte, from 34 megabyte to 10 megabyte. So let's look at whether let's say the quality has been compromised or not. So let's open it, and as you can see, the dimensions is still the same, everything is still the same like the other one. So let's zoom in again. As you can see, the quality is still maintained. 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 So guys, this is just one thing about this image viewer. I would suggest you use this one often than Microsoft Photos, because Microsoft Photos is just it's very bad. It's very bad, especially if you're having a low end PC. You have to have time waiting for it. But this one is very quick in accessing images, very fast. It's very faster and easy. Access images very faster and easy. So, and there's another thing too you can use this application to do, which I'll just show you. You crop images easily. I'll just show you that one easy so that we can go. That's a perk. So just open the image you want. So let's say I want to crop the name. I need only the name of the image, but I don't want. When I crop it and I finish, the parent image will still be there, but the crop image to also be there. So what you have to just do is just click and drag the one you want, like you are selecting something. So this is what I want. Then I click on crop selection, and if you click on crop selection lossless, that means it will crop the selection without losing quality. So you select crop selection lossless. When you click on it, it will save it automatically because it doesn't want to lose what selection. So I'll just change it to something else, 55. Then I'm done. So let me close it, and you can see it has cropped it here. Try open it. So it has cropped it and without losing what quality, and you can see it's still smooth without losing what quality. So this is the perk of this image viewer. It's very useful for graphic designers in case you are in a hurry to do, like say what I just did. I compressed my image. So if you have issues trying to send an image to a client and you think the image size is too much, you can compress it with this one to save size and still maintain quality. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is useful to you, kindly share it to your friends and family so they could also enjoy this perk from this application. And mind you, this application is not it's a developer, but I had difficulties in getting the developers link banner graph. But if I get it, I'll put the developers link in the description so that you could tap him and give him a coffee. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye bye.